Hello, it's Thursday, February the 10th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar weakened against the other major currencies after Fed Chairman Bernanke said that the jobless rate probably won't return to normal levels for several years. Nasdaq weakened by 0.29% and the Dow strengthened by 0.06%. Crude oil weakened to close at $86.71 a barrel. Gold continued to rise to close at $1,365.50 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected to decline from 415,000 to 413,000, and the federal budget balance is expected at minus 69.50 billion versus minus 80 billion prior. The euro continued to strengthen versus the dollar as the Fed chairman's pessimistic declaration supported a stronger euro. The euro dollar's momentum is bullish as long as it's trading above 136.50 and remains above the 10-day moving average on the daily chart. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 136.10 and a high of 137.44. Today, the ECB monthly bulletin is due to be released. The pound rose against the dollar on speculations that the accelerating inflation may prompt the Bank of England to raise interest rates. Resistance on the daily chart is at 161. If the pound dollar breaks above this, the pound will probably hit 162. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 160.33 and a high of 161.24. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to remain unchanged at 0.5%, and manufacturing production is expected at 0.50% versus 0.60% prior. The yen continued to trade within a narrow range and closed almost unchanged, with no serious data from either Japan or the US affecting the pair. The dollar-yen traded within a very narrow range during the European and the US sessions yesterday. So long as the rate remains below 82.83 or between 82.83, direction remains unclear. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 82.20 and a high of 82.66. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This erased half of its gains against the dollar as crude oil weakened towards the end of the US session. As long as the rate is below 100, the CAD is still more attractive than the US dollar. Next support on the 1-hour chart is at 0.9920. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9915 and a high of 0.9955. No economic data is expected today. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.